Hi Ayushi, how are you?
Hey Sonal, I'm good. How are you?
I am good, I am good. Welcome to our podcast, Mother versus World,
Yeah,
and very excited to have you.
yeah. I'm actually I feel very honored, if that's the word,
Ah,
because to be able to talk about this, you don't really get a platform to speak about such things, and there's so much you want to share. That you of course do with your friends and family and people around, but in general, I think that there has to be a platform like this where mothers like me can speak. So yeah, thank you.
thank you, Ayushi. That's the whole purpose, honest, people who are together, who are, going through this, and जो हम यहाँ कहेंगे, I'm very sure when mothers see us, they will resonate with us somewhere in the other part of India, in the other part of world. So that's the whole purpose. So firstly, for everyone, I'd like to tell, about our relationship. So Ayushi and I have been working together now for almost 9-10 months, right? So we started with your journey and your son's Vyom's journey, breastfeeding journey, starting solid journey, and now we are discussing nutrition, of course.
Yeah.
This discussion and this podcast is not going to be about our relationship. Of course, we have spent so much time together. हम हर हफ्ते बात करते हैं, तो एक bond तो है ही, वो बन ही गया है. So, but we won't talk about all the work we've done together. We rather gonna focus on something which I know you have been working on, Ayushi, dedicatedly and with all the effort. And that's what we are kind of gonna cover. That is going to be uncondition yourself. Unconditioning yourself, reparenting yourself, unparenting yourself, rewiring yourself, becoming much more conscious version of your own self. And trust me, this is important and very difficult, especially from where we are in our homeland in India, where there's noise, there's advice, there's opinion, there's lots of care also. But us sabke mein, to be able to, kind of put your foot down, to decide what you want to do, what is best for your child, takes a lots of guts and determination. Ayushi, firstly, kudos. And our first question is going to be that how did you achieve this? Like, how did you become this superwoman? How are you doing all that you've done during, the starting of your motherhood journey?
Yeah, I think superwoman, this word, I think all of us women have this configured in us, and I think we should flex this more often. But I think a lot of us experience this firsthand when we become mothers. So I think
Yeah.
this really comes into being when you actually hold your baby, and then this little one is really just looking at you, dependent on you, and you don't have a choice but to be a superwoman now. So I think that this is for all of us moms. Sonal, I mean, honestly, to tell you that this journey when I was pregnant,
Mm,
I had access to some of the best doctors. I was in Bombay. I had access to
mm,
best doctors in Bombay, and then I came to Delhi, and here in Delhi also. Everybody talked about, the visits were usually mostly talking about my weight, my blood pressure, or the basics of and how's the baby doing. That's it. Uh,
mm,
as I was nearing towards my delivery, I did not really know that what happens once I become a mother, and I did try to find that out through these Lamaze classes that happens in these
mm,
hospitals. These
mm,
are like what 2 day classes, 3 day classes that you attend, and they just tell you all the theory that there
mm,
is, and everything is like hunky dory. Once you have the baby, just latch them, and you're all sorted. But this was definitely not the case,
mm,
because they don't really have enough resources and people to tell you things. If I
mm,
was really lost after a point when I became a mother, what do I do when I come back home? What do I do
mm,
with the kid the first time? In the hospital, there
mm,
is a nurse, of course, to help you. But when you
mm,
come back home, what do I do with this kid if he's not latching, if he's not, if he's crying constantly?
mm,
And all that you have is just your family to tell you things, your
mm,
mother-in-law, your mother, and they are your only source to tell you things. And you just by default setting in all of us Indians is that our moms know everything, but I'm
mm,
sorry, they don't. Like, I
mm,
realize it the hard way that they really don't.
mm,
Of course, I mean, you can take the good things from them, but but they don't really know the technicalities or the scientific or the logical things behind this. All they know is that, oh, बच्चा सोना चाहिए, बच्चा खाना चाहिए. These are the two things that they only know. बच्चा रो रहा है तो क्यों रो रहा है should be your problem. He's not getting enough supply. And I think that's where this community of women that we have on a WhatsApp group, where women actually talk about actual stuff, and that's where you get to know things that, okay, I'm not the only one, that there are other people going through this. And that's how I got to know that there is professional help available. And that's how I got to know that about Veera also, through that network. And that's how I contacted you, and we got on this journey. And trust me, Sonal, I mean, there was so many things that I did not know before, and nobody around me also knew it. The first time I went to my lactation consultant when Vim was about 3 months, she told me that, even if you manage to do it for like 6 months breastfeeding, even with formula, I think you're good. You don't have to worry about anything. And now I stand where Vyom is turning 1 soon, and I'm still breastfeeding, and I'm actually very happy about it. I'm not saying this is the only way, but I wanted to do this, and I'm doing it, and I'm really happy about it. So I think the professional help, the right professional help, really matters in all of this.
Yeah. No, I couldn't agree more. Ayushi, it is so important. And there's one thing which I want to say, which when you said mothers and mother-in-law and families, the thing is, as a community only, we should reflect कि बहुत चीजें ऐसी हैं जो generation से generation चलती आ रही. They've been practiced because उस time circumstances कैसे थे, they were probably relevant in that time, but now for no reason we've kind of made them traditions. हम ऐसे ही करते हैं. बच्चा there's of course there's this background of care and concern and wanting the best for the child, but what we are not reflecting is कि ये जो हमारा उस टाइम का सिस्टम था, जहां मे बी हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम नहीं था, जहां पे there were so many babies, there were so many kids women had, and yeah, that's the they wanted the little one safe and sound. So that's all they thought of. उसमें fear भी था, judgment भी थी, opinions भी थे, और कितने सारे taboos थे जो बातें वो बोलते नहीं थे. अब उस ground, we are in a different time now. We are in a different time, we will not we are not in that same situation, so solution भी हम पे apply नहीं होता. And that's, I completely agree. And that you have to just make that switch, that you decided कि no, this is professional help which is needed, and I'm going to do it. So personally, अगर मैं अपने experience से, as a mother, I knew a lot of noise around me, a lot of bullshit around me, all of that was there. But when I became a mother, I was in this position naturally somehow that I have that guts where I could just filter the bullshit. Whereas, like, if something doesn't add value in my life, in my family's life, in my child's life, it doesn't make my life better or comfortable or doesn't make it worse, then it's out. Like that is something which I personally had just gotten, that kahan se wo andar se aaya. And this is something easier said than done. जो मैं कह रही हूँ वो, I know is easy to say, but when we are doing it, it's very difficult. I know you've also done this, like you've had your challenges. And I also know that you are in that situation which you just mentioned, where you have access to the top healthcare, and you have, like you can get everything, which is great. But even then you face challenges, and even then you felt there was a gap.
Yeah.
What are your thoughts, that why is this gap between the expectation versus what is delivered? What did you feel in your journey?
Yeah, I think, Sonal, two things here. One, that I think when I got pregnant, I had always felt very strong physically. Like I feel that my body is capable of doing a lot of things, and I've seen that for myself, that I just can perform better physically with my body. And so when I was becoming, or when I got to know I'm pregnant, or when I know that I'm becoming a mother now, I somehow felt that I'm capable physically to give birth to this child and to take care of him by myself. This is the confidence that I always carried with myself, and I never doubted even once that am I enough for the baby. But once the baby comes into your life, every single person around you, including your mom, will question and ask that, oh, enough. Maybe you are at fault. Maybe the child is lacking. Maybe we need to do something better with the person, with this
Mm.
child.
Mm.
Uh, where you also start doubting that, oh, these women, they have raised so many kids, and they have seen so
Mm.
many, ना सिर्फ अपने बच्चे, दूसरों के भी, like
दूसरों
their
के बच्चे भी बड़े।
sisters or their
Mm.
sister-in-laws babies, everybody, because there used to be a community in India, and
Mm.
everybody would raise kids together, and so they carry so much knowledge with them about raising a child. And I have never looked into this, and I don't have people around me doing it, so maybe I don't know, and maybe they are right. That's when you start questioning yourself, and that's when you have to remind yourself that
Mm.
no, I mean, just believe that if you are capable
Mm.
physically to give birth to this child,
True this.
this is only a natural process that you will be able to feed to this child, and you will be able to provide to this child.
Mm.
And this was a constant reminder that I had to give to myself. And in a lot of this, your partner plays a key role. That if your partner supports you and tells you that you do you and we'll manage, and he plays that role of shutting down the noise around you, it makes a hell of a difference.
Mm.
And I think that's what my partner did, and the confidence, of course, that I had, that I want to do it, a certain way, because this is the right way. Maybe my moms, all our moms know things, but I want to know the technicalities of things, and I want to do my own study and research as to what is right.
What is right?
Is my baby growing enough? If not, then what is it that I can do to make it better? And in that journey, you can also, of course, give formula if required, but is it
Yeah.
really needed?
Really
Or is
needed.
it just that, they have all that, that they have heard, कि formula
Yeah,
देने से
I
नहीं
know.
होता है. This is a supplement, and the baby needs it to grow, because your milk is not enough. But I wanted to know if it's true, because my friends don't know this, my sisters don't know this. Everybody is just like, हमें बताया गया था. It's just being, as you said, being passed on from generation to
Being
generation.
passed on from generations.
And that's when my quest started, that I want to understand what is it. And maybe, when I would have ideally wanted to do it while I was pregnant. I'm sure nothing prepares you enough when you actually become
That's
a
a very
mother.
good point.
But at least something, to know as to what is the right way to go about it. Sooner than later, it's fine that I eventually figured out that how I want to do it, because I knew I wanted to do it. And in that, of course, you would do your Google search, which is, of course, there's so much information
It's
being
so
thrown
much
at you
information. Yeah.
that
Yeah.
you can't filter that out for yourself.
Yeah.
And then the next challenge that I faced was that, okay, if I want to reach out to an expert, who is a credible expert? My doctor, there are only two doctors we know in a hospital, a gynae and a pediatrician.
And a pediatrician.
The gynae will only be there till she hands over the kid to you, and she's gone. She's out of the picture. She will not, there is nothing after that. You will not even see her face after that. Maybe after your 6-week visit, you will go see her and she'll see, oh, everything fine down there. But there's nothing that she can tell you beyond
Nothing for the baby.
Yes. And the pediatrician, my pediatrician has only looked at one thing. How is the weight growing? That's it. There is nothing beyond, or beyond this, that he will discuss with me. That if I tell him that, oh, he comes, he feeds with me for about 40 minutes, but he's like coming back again after half an hour, what do I do? Or the pediatrician will say that, maybe you haven't fed, he's not full. You haven't fed him enough.
Yeah.
And he needs more.
Yeah.
And your baby's crying and you're home, and then your mother-in-law or your mom tells you that, oh, the baby's crying, he needs more. And these two people that I knew until now that will be sorted, gynae and pediatrician, are not able to support me. The next thing that I know is the very famous or big hospitals in metropolitan cities have lactation consultants, which is a good thing, but not all hospitals in India. So you don't really know the lactation, and you're just dependent on this one lactation consultant who's affiliated with your hospital. And sometimes my lactation consultant was a really kind and nice lady, but she just came after the birth, the next day told me a few things. Okay,
Yeah.
इलाज
Yeah.
करनी me.
Yeah.
Of course,
Yeah.
I will go and visit her, but the
Yeah.
vibe did not match because she was. I mean, could be anything. Just like
Yeah.
how you seek out professionals, doctors. Sometimes your
Yeah.
vibe matches, sometimes it
Matches.
doesn't. It did not match with
Yeah.
her. She was on a different tangent, and I could not like really relate to her. And
Yeah.
then I did not have a resource as to where should I go, what should I do next,
Mm.
who are the famous lactation consultants,
Mm.
who are the people who can tell me how to deal with this breastfeeding journey or how
Yeah.
to take care of this baby.
Yeah.
So I
Yeah.
think that is where your question as to what the gaps are, this is where the gap is, that
Gap is.
as soon as I
Mm.
give birth to this baby, I really have no access except being dependent on that hospital who tells me about this lactation consultant.
Mm.
She's your best bet. If you
Mm.
get along, great. If not, then I
Mm.
don't know what. But
Mm.
in my case, I think I reached out to more people. I reached
Mm.
out to more moms asking
Mm.
that, okay, how are you going about with this? Because as I ask this, as I speak to more women, I realize everybody wants this.
Everyone. Mm.
Every all the women that I have met who have become mothers have been told at some point in their life that they're not enough for their baby. So there's just so much being put in your head, and more than I said, you lacking physically, this mental pressure of am I enough is only leading to things that of
Yeah.
course eventually you will not be enough because
Will
you're
not be enough.
mentally so
Yeah.
tired,
It breaks.
physically tired, so
Mm.
anxious, and then you'll be like, fuck it, I don't want to do it, like let it be. So
Mm.
that's what happened. And then of course, then in this, like me, there were other mothers who were trying to figure out and who figured out expert help, and who
Mm.
mentioned that, oh, why don't you reach out to this person? In my case, it was Veera, that,
Yeah.
why don't
Yeah.
you reach out to them and speak to
Yeah.
them? And
Mm.
the day, I still remember that the day I messaged you, my message was that, Sonal, can we please connect? Because I'm almost at the verge of introducing
Yeah.
formula to my baby, which I don't want. That was my message to you. And you,
Mm.
of course, we eventually connected, and something changed after that. I don't know if we really worked on the technicalities of thing, but I felt mentally much more stronger that I
Yeah.
can do this because
Yeah.
some expert is telling me that you are on
Mm.
the right path
You're on the
and I
right.
can listen to them.
Mm. Mm.
So I think this access to the right person, even if
Mm.
you don't want to reach out to a person, even if you have the right content,
Mm.
where you can reach out to this content, where you can read up stuff and not be on the Google,
Mm.
just all over the place. If there is
Mm.
a dedicated repository,
Mm.
talking about issues that really matter, and it can only come from moms who have been through this and experts like you. So I
Mm.
think if we can have access to such kind of things more easily, and
Mm.
of course professionally, the doctors, if they can come together, have this department, because
Mm.
this is really needed apart from your
Yeah, it
gynaes
is
and
almost a
pediatricians.
department. एक ऐसा लगता है कि एक जैसे कि पूरे स्कूल में एक क्लास ही मिसिंग है.
Yes. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये थोड़े से access was the biggest challenge. उसके
Hmm.
बाद तो I think everything eventually will fall into place. Your baby will also grow. You will also understand after a few months that, okay,
Hmm.
this passes, this comes and goes, you have to bear.
Hmm. Hmm.
But those
Hmm.
initial days are just a struggle that you don't know how to, figure this out. And so any access, I think institutions should have this
Yeah.
this dedicated wing, and there should be more discussion about these experts, that where how can you
Hmm.
access them. And
Hmm.
maybe if even if you don't want to reach out to a person and you want to understand it yourself, then a
And
repository
you
sorts where you can just because your
get the
moms will
content.
tell you things and not everything is wrong.
Hmm.
But you should know, like, as basic as, when I gave birth, everybody around me told me that, ye nahi men also, older
Hmm.
men also coming and telling me ye nahi kar sakte. As soon as I gave birth, I wanted to eat a chapati, and then I was told by people in the house that, oh, you just gave birth, you can't eat chapati for a month. Nahi kha sakte.
Hmm.
And I was like, I haven't heard this ever, and I am not following this. But if
Hmm.
there is another woman who thinks कि नहीं यही लोग सही बोल रहे हैं, ये बड़े हैं,
Hmm.
उनको सब पता है, तो उस
Hmm.
बेचारी को रोटी नहीं मिलेगी. So
Hmm.
that's the thing. So yeah.
Yeah, the thing is just so many relevant, all are relevant points, Ayushi, but like so many points which are like bang on. I think one of them which I want to pick on, which I feel that I have also seen, which is not right, is that साइकोलॉजिकली जैसे यू वर राइट, यू रियलाइज कि यू नो दिस इज नॉट क्लिकिंग, जब एक बार घर आ गई हूँ तो ऐसा नहीं, सब क्लिक नहीं कर रहा है. सो आई देर इज अ गैप, आई एम फीलिंग द गैप, आई एम फीलिंग द गैप. देर आर sides of the story where yeah, parents when they're coming back, they are coming back psychologically all dependent on their mothers, and which is, you know, which is, yeah, which is an Asian thing, an Indian thing, you know, that mother and that love and that warmth is always there waiting for you at home.
Yeah.
But this over dependence is also not right. बिकॉज एक तो पहली चीज जो हमने डिस्कस करी कि उनका टाइम अलग था. सेकंड इज, यू नो, दे they have themselves, I feel like, gone through so much. And you know, like their time, 90s time, and the way when they brought up and what all they did, they sacrificed, time ही अलग था. You know, if anything, institutionally only, it's not fair that they have this responsibility on them. Of course they will, you know, they will do everything. सब छोड़ छाड़ के आ जाएंगे, सब करेंगे, भाग दौड़ करेंगे, झगड़े भी कर लेंगे, बॉटल नहीं बॉईल हुई, कितना मतलब कितना, they will do everything that is needed. And but the and which is yeah, someone, I hope every grandparent can, but their space ideally should be more, I feel, should be more towards fun, love, masti, you know, all those things where you maybe were not there for your own child, you were, you know, in the hustle bustle of making life,
Yeah.
making money.
Yeah.
अगर वो आप स्लॉट, तो वो भी एक कंप्लीट होता है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स द गैप, प्रोफेशनल गैप, क्लिनिकल गैप शुड बी फिल्ड. बट लाइक हैविंग सेड दैट, आई नो कि वो बड़े बुजुर्ग फिल भी नहीं करते. समटाइम दे आर लाइक ना फॉरगॉटन हाउ टू हैव फन. मतलब करना ही नहीं है. करना
Yeah.
ही नहीं है, कि करना ही नहीं है, मतलब इनके तो ही रेलेवेंट है.
Yeah.
है ना, विच आई रियली फील कि मुझे, मतलब इफ एनी एनी एल्डरली सीज दिस, आई फील लाइक कि नहीं, आप वैसे ही रेलेवेंट हो, कुछ नहीं
Yeah.
करने की जरूरत. यू नो,
Just खेलना है आपको. Like,
जस्ट
why do you
खेलना
need
है.
a nanny? I need a nanny so that I can do all this.
यू नो, टू एब्जॉर्ब ऑल ऑफ दैट. बट वो तो होता ही नहीं है, फन पे तो जाते ही नहीं है, वो काम पे और जाते हैं. आई फील दैट पुट्स द प्रेशर मोर ऑन देम. एंड देन यू आर एब्सोल्युटली राइट दैट, you know, that ultimately, yeah, few things what they say, whatever the family, whatever they say, we take on. But other things we cannot, because there's one important factor which you said, that prepare and continuous. You know, like the fact that you can prepare little bit upfront, if parents can prepare, that's, we have the resources now. That is one thing which we should leverage. And the second, I feel this is almost, I would say professionally and personally also, I feel ये वैसा वो नहीं है कि आपका बच्चा, this is not sick care, you know, you're not just going because someone has gotten sick and needs a medicine and is kind of correcting. This is more clinical continuous support, जिसमें आप literally, जैसे, you know, and you know how we have been doing it, but even not just us, like this entire segment, एक दिन होगा, एक दिन नहीं होगा, फिर एक दिन होगा, फिर एक दिन नहीं होगा. तो उसका डिस्कशन हो पाना, उसको, you know, उसको रिफ्लेक्ट कर पाना, and उसमें ये कॉन्फिडेंस रहना कि जिस दिन नहीं हुआ है तो कोई बात नहीं, पिछले दिन हुआ था, another
Yeah.
another that day is gonna come. Like that is one thing which is, I feel like, for me this was, it was a recap of life. कि if not every day is happy,
Yeah.
and not every day is sad, and if there's a sad day or a down day coming, there's gonna come an up day. I just have to have my, like, gears up and not give up.
Yeah.
No, that's you know, this is something which I really I really feel is we should all realize. One thing which I personally feel, you know, I want to see how you know how your feeling was. Like, I did feel that there's this badlav aa raha, because somewhere down the line, for the new member, which is the mother and the father and the child. When I say new member, they're all three new members. It's almost like, you know, especially for the new mother and the few new child, it's almost like they have to adjust to the existing system which is there. हाउस हो गया, घर का सेटअप हो गया, कमरे हो गए. बल्कि होना उल्टा चाहिए, दैट वी आर मेकिंग स्पेस फॉर दैट न्यू मेंबर, वी आर
Yeah.
मेकिंग अ प्ले एरिया फॉर दैट न्यू मेंबर, वी आर, देयर आर chairs for mothers to breastfeed, there's space for mothers to be themselves, जो कि घर के बाहर हो, घर के कमरे के अंदर भी हो. But unfortunately, I have been to, yeah, to places, to houses, friends, relatives, big houses, lavish houses, not having a play area for the child, not having, a comfort space. And I don't mean to say you have to put them in a corner, but just an inclusive space, but their space,
Yeah,
you know, where, and that I feel like is something we really feel it makes a huge difference, like even an
absolutely.
environmental setup.
Absolutely. Absolutely. No, no, very, very, very valid, Sonal. I think the fact that, our parents, they just, our moms only, they just had so much on themselves as homemakers.
Yeah.
Because, as you rightly said, economically, it did not really provide them the enough resources or facilities to actually seek help, get help. Your
Mm,
fathers were mostly out there working, figuring
mm,
out a way to get money in the
mm,
house, and your moms are just looking at the house just to cook, clean, do all
mm,
the chores and everything. And in all of that, she's to look at this baby who's crying and she doesn't know. And also she's just become a new mom, and she also has so much going on in her mind and physically and mentally that she doesn't really have the time to sit and think that why is it happening and how can I make it right. They sometimes, if not all, sometimes they have mostly looked at quick fixes, right?
mm,
कि अच्छा रो रहा है, बॉटल दे दो, चुप हो
mm,
जाएगा, तब तक मैं अपना काम कर लूँ,
mm.
right? Which was not wrong at that point of time, because of course,
Exactly.
if I were that person जिसके पास कोई help नहीं है and my
Mm,
husband is not around,
mm,
then and I have a ton of things to do, then I'll also look at quick fixes कि अभी तो चुप हो, फिर बाद में
mm,
देखें.
mm,
And the baby would be quiet, they would sleep for longer hours, and then
mm.
that's when they would derive कि अच्छा इससे पेट भर रहा है, मतलब मेरा supply enough नहीं.
हाँ. Mm.
And also I feel that at that point of time also maybe globalization or what, that these Nestle products, or I want,
Yeah.
but these products were actually pushed by pediatricians that your baby needs it,
Mm,
you are not enough.
mm.
When an expert says this, I think
Yeah.
that's
It's
there, it just sits in your head that
it's just in
oh,
your
maybe he's right, because when I fed him he cried after 1 hour, and then as soon as I gave him formula he slept longer, maybe I am not enough,
mm,
right? but
mm,
but
mm.
there is just so much behind this that has
There's so much
happened,
more.
that
Yeah.
you didn't have the time to look at it,
Yeah.
which
Yeah.
which we don't which I don't blame my mom for,
Yeah. Yeah.
but but I don't want to take this forward with me for my
Mm,
baby.
mm,
I mean, I want to stop this right here and know what is right for my baby or myself, because I have the resources. And
yeah.
thanks to them, they've gotten us to this place
To
where
the
we have
place, yeah.
resources. So,
Exactly.
yes, I have those resources, and I
Mm,
have a supporting partner who just doesn't work at office, also has some
mm,
responsibilities at home, who's looking
mm,
after things. I have
mm,
all the helps,
mm.
to do this. And so I want to focus my time and energy on understanding that how can I make it right and not work on quick fixes.
Hmm.
Things like malish karna, nobody tells
Yeah.
you malish karni, and nobody, it's not written anywhere, but your moms
Yeah.
tell you this, and I want to take that forward. I
Yeah.
want to take
Yeah.
this, I want to imbibe this,
Hmm.
I want to spend that time with my baby जहाँ मैं
Hmm.
उसके साथ मालिश कर रही हूँ, right?
Hmm.
तो मैं
Hmm.
ऐसा बिल्कुल, I'm not saying that this was what they said is absolutely wrong, no,
Hmm.
but I want
Hmm.
to pick and choose and not do quick fixes. If
Correct.
Vyom
Correct.
is crying one night and I have to be awake with him, doesn't mean I give him formula every night and be like so.
Exactly. Exactly.
I'll bear through these nights with him, as
Yeah.
long if it allows me physically and mentally.
Yeah.
Not for all moms, but if it allows me, I want to do that, and
Yeah.
I want to have that choice. I want to have that power of choice,
Hmm.
which
Hmm.
in the 90s women did not have,
Did not.
which in the earlier times they did not have. They
Yeah.
were just told तुम्हें यही करना है और यही
Hmm.
ठीक से करना है और
Hmm.
इसको करो.
Hmm.
So yes, we are evolved women.
Hmm.
We don't just settle for anything that is being told to us.
Hmm.
We will make our choices here.
Hmm. Hmm.
And the fact that yes, when a baby is coming, there is so much adjustment that has to be made. One being नहीं मिलेगी रात की नींद.
नहीं मिलेगी, हाँ. That's
हाँ,
and exactly, and the thing is, just to जो आप बोल रहे हो, please, your thought, like this objective only कि बच्चा सोना कब शुरू करा, like as if they've like entered this, ये तो ग्रोथ तो छोड़ो कि सोना दूसरे दिन से, तीसरे दिन से, कल पूरी रात सोया, अगर पूरी, मतलब as if like that is the ultimate aim. कि
या
सोना कब पूरा
क्या
शुरू
सही
कर दिया।
किया, ये सही किया, यही रिपीट करो आप।
हाँ,
सो हम भी ऐसे ही करते थे, ऐसे पकड़ेंगे और ऐसे थपथपाएंगे तो सो जाएगा, बट ऐसे नहीं होता है।
exactly. Like as I'll share two things which come to my mind. Which is one is related with the baby only कि इसको सुलाना है we were in some discussions and all of that and they're like कि बस ये सो जाए and बस मुझे ये है कि ये इसको पूरी नींद मिले, ये है वो है। And I was just talking and I said as like we do realize, and as a community, as a community we do realize that the new package we have has no reference of life.
Yeah.
He or she doesn't know air, they come from water to air चीज। इन्वायरमेंटल चेंज कितना बड़ा
Yeah.
चेंज है ना। अभी यहाँ ऑक्सीजन हटा के कुछ और डाल दे, एवोल्यूशन कितना चेंज हो जाएगा हमारे लिए।
Yeah.
तो
Absolutely.
उसमें उसमें उसको जाना है। एंड the second thing is they're like okay, I'm called in by some people, two people देखो मेरा दे they decided to have me, मेरा दे। तो वो नहीं, वो कहेगा आओ आप मेरे पास
Yeah.
like that। अगर अगर सिंपल
Yeah.
लॉजिक लगाओ तो यही है।
Yeah, you are the only reference for that baby ना, और तो कुछ देखा ही नहीं, सुना, पता ही नहीं आपकी स्मेल, in fact not even how you look, just the
Yeah,
smell of you
just
is
the smell।
all he knows, all the baby knows. So
That's why
yeah,
this thing कि बच्चा हटता नहीं है, बच्चे को अपने से हटाओ,
that's the
that's what it
biggest
is।
thing. That's the
कि
biggest thing.
आदत
They
लग जाएगी।
things like yeah, don't breastfeed so much, आदत लग जाएगी, छोड़ेगा नहीं तुमको, हर जगह पे तुमको तुम्हारे साथ ही चिपका रहेगा। As sorry stupid as this, but मेरा ही बच्चा है ना, मेरे से ही तो लगा रहेगा, like what else? Everybody grows up। आपने देखा है किसी बड़े बच्चे को अपनी माँ से ही लगा रहता है? Nobody, everybody grows up। बट दिस
that's what।
दिस फियर कि मैं दूर रखो, ज्यादा अपने पास मत रखो, इसकी ही आदत हो जाएगी, तुम ज्यादा अपने पास रखती हो, इसकी ही आदत हो जाएगी, बट you don't understand this is not for my convenience, that this baby this raising this kid is not my convenience, it's just to make this person feel as comfortable। अपने guests के लिए हम इतना करते हैं that
करते
they
ही
are,
हैं।
this is
हाँ
our family member, a new person who's like the most important person right now in our lives, that you have to make adjustments। वो हाँ नहीं मिलेगी रात की नींद, ऐसा सेड नहीं मिलेगी आपको, नहीं समझ आएगा वो क्यों रो रहा है, not just when they are born, now also when Pyom is now turning into a toddler, he needs me, he wants to walk around everywhere, he wants to take me, like hold his hand and take me around him everywhere, he will सब बोलेंगे हमारे साथ आ जाओ, चलो हम लेके चलते हैं, and he wants to hold my hand and he wants me to run around the entire house with me, he just loves it, he's so happy when he does it, and I'm too tired after my office, but that is what it is, that you
that
have
is
to adjust, because this person derives their
derives from you।
moments from you, their happiness or
That's
their calm from you actually।
yeah, that's what it is। and पता है क्या, इसमें I want to say something so important, add something so important। there are moments जब हम नहीं कर सकते, थक हो सकती है, बीमारी हो सकती है, कुछ भी हो सकता है। अगर वो मोमेंट आए भी ना, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू रिमेम्बर कि ठीक है अभी हम नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, सो मे बी फॉर दिस मोमेंट वी कैन नॉट गो, बट ऐसा नहीं है कि हमारा बच्चा क्लिंगी हो गया है तो उसकी आदत छुड़वानी चाहिए। जो मोमेंट्स, ये सेल्फ रिफ्लेक्शन होना, आधे टाइम पे हम कोर्स नींद नहीं पूरी हुई तो आप चिड़चिड़े हो, आप में पेशेंस नहीं है, आप में अपने पार्टनर के लिए, अपने फैमिली के लिए, बट उस टाइम ये कॉन्शियसली अपने से कनेक्ट करना कि मेरी बैटरी लो है, बच्चे में या उस सेटअप में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, दैट इज व्हाट इज एक्सपेक्टेड। इतना भी अगर हो जाए ना, एंड यू टेक दैट ब्रेक और वॉट एवर दैट इज नीडेड, इवन दैट इज सो डेवलपमेंटली, एज अ बेबी तो डेवलप हो ही रहा है, हमारे लिए ही डेवलपमेंटली इज सच एन अचीवमेंट। It's such an
on
achievement।
this I will share this something very funny, that once this person comes up to me and they say, some woman comes up to me and says that oh when the baby comes, जब बच्चा आता है तो पेशेंस लेवल नेक्स्ट लेवल तक से बढ़ जाता है, आप बहुत ज्यादा पेशेंट हो जाते हो लाइफ में, बिकॉज बच्चा आ जाता है तो आपको अपना कंट्रोल, एंगर कंट्रोल, लाइक नो, आई थिंक दैट हैपेंड विद मी व्हेन आई गॉट मैरिड, बिकॉज because when your husband and you are fighting and you're like, why can't you understand this simple thing, and your husband is not understanding him being a grown up man, then बच्चे के लिए तो लगता है अरे इसको तो कुछ समझ ही नहीं है तो ये कैसे समझेगा. You know, when you can't like this
Conflict?
when you have conflicts with that person and when you're not on the same page with that person who's so grown up, and how can you expect a child to be, you know, take in all your tiredness, your, but in all of that I don't ever want to convey that, you know, आप मदर इंडिया बनो, आप सब
एग्जैक्टली
अपने अंदर संभालो.
एग्जैक्टली, ये परफेक्ट,
और
वही चीज है. इसकी दो राहें हैं. या तो एक राय है कि बच्चे में प्रॉब्लम है, या कुछ है, या कुछ ये वो, और कि तुम गलत कर रही हो, तुम गलत कर रही हो. या फिर उसकी दूसरी साइड ये है कि तुम बलिदान का इमेज हो और
हाँ,
तुम ही परफेक्ट हो. या आई
बिच
आई
लो
वुड
अपने
से,
बच्चों के लिए.
एग्जैक्टली, आई वुड से द वन थिंग विच आई डू एग्री विद इज दैट कि नेचर ने बहुत बड़ी एक तो दी है. मतलब दिस इज अ वेरी, व्हेन आई से ट्रॉफी, आई डोंट मीन इट एज अ मटेरियलिस्टिक थिंग, बट दिस इज एवोल्यूशन वाइज अ वेरी बिग स्टैचर टू हैव.
Yeah.
This I believe, this I agree with. That's why I said, कि मुझे the kind of person I am, and I'm quite vocal, I speak what I want to and all of that, and I, as you said, you always felt very powerful, very similar. पर मुझे लगता है कि मुझे इतनी पावर प्रेगनेंसी में जितनी महसूस हुई ना, उतनी मुझे उससे पहले थी. मतलब आई वाज लाइक, बैंग, आई कैन ग्रो लाइफ, मेरे
Yeah.
अंदर लाइफ है. मतलब मुझे उस चीज से इतनी खुशी मिलती थी आयुषी.
पावरफुल होता था.
हाँ,
Yeah.
इतना मुझे पावरफुल, ऑफ कोर्स पेन डिस्कम्फर्ट वो सब था. थैंकफुली मुझे मेरी प्रेगनेंसी में नहीं था, एंड आई फुल्ली नो दैट इट्स नॉट रोजी फॉर एवरीवन. बट even if I keep that aside, that power I really felt. I have life. I can do something as a woman in a body which is not like half of, or more than, or less than half, whatever the population ratio is, cannot. तो वो तो था, तो मुझे वो तो लगता था. लेकिन इसके अलावा ना ये उठाना चाहिए कि एक पेडेस्टल पे वो और इतना उसका प्रेशर हो जाए. दैट्स व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से ना, जब मैं आपको कहा कि नहीं, अगर आप घूम सकते, देयर आर मोमेंट्स जब हम नहीं रह सकते आरिफ के साथ, हम नहीं उसको वो 100% दे पाते जो हमें हमेशा देना चाहते हैं. बट वी नो कि उसे कुछ नहीं हुआ. वो जो रो रहा है, या इट कुड बी कि आई हैव बीन आउट द एंटायर डे. And yes, that also means that maybe I cannot come to him in the evening. But that still doesn't mean that something has gone off with him as soon as he's become a toddler.
Correct.
Like this thing to set in and then give yourself a breather and come back the next day. यही मुझे लगता है आज के parents ये is be such an achievement to get there. Yeah, so moving on, Ayushi, we're already like 20-25 minutes, almost 30 minutes there. So I do want to jump to one of the last segment and the last few questions, and it's going so well, मैं मन नहीं करता कि इसको book करें, to capture all the things which I think definitely other mothers want to hear. One, if you can share and you can think of a moment where it was literally you versus the world, and you felt that the system has to improve for our kids. Otherwise, parents are bombarded with almost, like, we call it like a marketing mafia. And I think we've touched on this little bit already, but like they're bombarded with marketing mafia where ye kha loge to breast milk will, and there are things which support, but to start with that connotation, ऐसा कर लोगे तो बच्चे का वेट, ऐसा कर लोगे तो बच्चे की हाइट 4x ब्रेन पावर, you will become like whatever milking van. ये जो सिचुएशन है, आपको कभी ऐसा लगा है? मतलब what are your thoughts, like what do you feel about it?
So Sonu, I think I've always felt that it is ever since you give birth, it's always a chase. It's always something you are trying to achieve with the baby. Constant question on how is your baby growing, mentally and physically. Weight wise, my baby when he was born was 2.5 kg, and I didn't know it was abnormal. I don't think it's abnormal. 2.5 is a very normal range, but I was made to feel by time and again everybody who visited me who told me that your baby is very weak, in an as crude language as possible, that they would say that your baby, even my gynae, when I would go to her, she like saw the baby and she said that initially when I was pregnant, she said that you have a very small baby. Then that's when it sits in your head, oh, that my baby's small. Okay. Then the baby's born.
Small is not okay.
2.5 kg, and then I was like, okay, fine, 2.5 is fine. But then your pediatrician says that, oh, you have to actually work towards him growing faster. And then of course everybody was visiting me, and the people in India, your families, you have a big family support system, which is fantastic, but it also works against you, because as many people who come and visit you will also give opinions about बच्चा काला है, बच्चा गोरा है, बच्चा पतला है, बच्चा मोटा है, बच्चा लंबा है, बच्चा छोटा है, everything you will, and you can't shut them out because family. So, but I think this one particular moment where I felt that it's me against the world, and trust me, it was everybody, from my pediatrician to my japa. Japa is another person who plays a very important role in our lives now, because that's help, and she's been with a lot of people, so you would also want to hear her because she's looked after so many kids. My japa, when I asked her that, when Vyom, this particular day where Vyom fed with me from morning till even only half of that बच्चे की growth के लिए. So then I was like, okay, then the japa says formula de do. Then you call a pediatrician. He says that we दे सकते हैं formula. I'll have to see him, but I think अगर जरूरत पड़े तो दे दो. Then you visit your lactation consultant. Then she sits with you with the entire chart of, okay, कितना weight था, कितना weight हुआ, इसके हिसाब से इस week में इतना चाहिए था. I'm like, I don't have time for all of this. Just tell me, what do I do? So, like, which I'm sure she's doing her calculations, but I don't understand all of this. Just tell me what to do. Should I continue? Should I not? And that's when I felt that no, I'm not giving into this. I'm not giving him formula. I will keep him close to me. He's only a 1.5-month old baby, and he still doesn't understand the world. He doesn't know anything. I have to keep him close to me. Let him suckle on it as long as he wants. Of course, I'm physically tired, and again, I'm saying that not all mothers have to do it, but I felt that I can do it. I
but
felt that I can keep going. If needed, I can do it through the night. Because I wanted to do it. That's when I felt, when everybody told me कि दे दो, उससे कुछ जाने थोड़ी वाला है, and सच में उससे कुछ नहीं जाता अगर मैं formula दे भी देती तो. But in my head, then it would have felt that, oh, we are lacking. That would have been established, which I didn't want to tell myself, that we are not lacking anywhere. Let us do this. And if an expert, a doctor, says that your child is not growing enough or there is a problem, then I will resort to
Then
these things.
exactly.
But at that point of time, it was really my mental strength that I wanted to continue, and I will not like feed him as much as he wants. I don't care, but I will not give up, and I don't want to give in to all this pressure of formula. Just because सब देते हैं तो तुम भी दे दो, बच्चा चुप हो जाएगा. So that's not fair.
That's no, Ayushi, all these things, like, you adding up to all of them. I'll say a few things. Firstly, yes, formula is safe. We are in a good world where there is this option. एक time ऐसा था जब नहीं था. Yeah, the fact that you've made a product, you're going to capitalize on the product, you need to sell the product, it needs to be valid in the market. All of that goes on in the background.
Yeah.
It is important to shut it down and to be firstly, and वो कैसे वो shut down करने के लिए अपने पे faith होना, confidence होना, अपनी body समझना पाना, ये इतना जरूरी है, क्योंकि ये जो market है ना, ये सबसे vulnerable time पे आपको पकड़ती है. This if this would be a protein powder, and if it's for us, and we are like, we are good with dal tofu. I don't want to eat non-veg. I also don't want to take. I think we'd be much more calmer and decided. लेकिन उस टाइम पे when you have almost given your own life to birth a new life और उसको ठीक रखना है, उस टाइम पे आप सबसे vulnerable, और उस टाइम पे ये मार्केट आपको कैप्चर करती है. So, as a professional myself, I would say it out loud. It's a safe option and it's there in the market. So whoever needs it medically, clinically, mentally, physically, yeah, go for it. But the fact that it has been convinced, or they're convincing that the milk is not good enough, the mother is not good enough, that's why the child is crying. That is literally brutally murdering the reality of the situation, which is the beauty and the ugly both of the situation. बच्चा आप पे full dependent है. How gorgeous is this and how difficult is this? you know, इससे मतलब
Imagine those days again.
हाँ, मतलब कितना कितना डिफिकल्ट है। और सोचो भैया, इससे इम्पोर्टेंस मतलब इस इसका वो है। अब हम जॉब्स कर चुके हैं, हमारी मैरिज है, आपके पार्टनर्स है, आपकी फैमिली, आप देख लो, इतना ऊपर आपको कोई नहीं रखता
Yeah,
जितना आपको बच्चा कह देता है कि यू नो इट्स जस्ट यू,
you.
यू आर माई। हाँ, आप ही हो। एंड आई कम्प्लीटली कम्प्लीटली अंडरस्टैंड कि इसका प्रेशर नहीं लेना चाहिए। बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली वो तक पहुंचने से पहले ही ये माफिया बोल रहे, जो भी बोल रहे, ये इंस्टीट्यूशन आपको कन्विंस कर लेता है that
Yeah,
you're
so
not good enough.
not just breastfeeding. I mean, even when we started the solids journey, you remember I had mentioned that my pediatrician has told me to give this Cerelac kind of
Correct. Yeah,
rice
and we,
kind of a
yeah.
thing before he could even eat anything. And I was shocked. I was like, this pediatrician who's been after my life to breastfeed my baby. That's what they keep saying, all of this. And now, as soon as he turns 6 months, he says, packet ka food de do.
हाँ,
What suddenly changes in the baby कि आप बोल रहे हो कि नहीं अभी तक तो अपना दूध दो, फॉर्मूला मत दो, नहीं दे और दोगे तो अच्छा है, and then suddenly you are asking me to give this baby the
powder.
first solid that I introduced is a packaged food. It did not sit well with me
Hmm.
again, and of course we discussed this, and again
Hmm.
also because I had access to speak to
Yeah,
somebody
yeah.
else and ask, hey, and you were there and I could speak to you that this is what he's told me to introduce, so should I?
Hmm.
And then
Hmm.
something very as basic as you said, we want to introduce real food to our baby. That's
Yeah,
what you told me.
yeah, yeah.
And
There's no
just
need.
as simple as that, that you actually, तुम नहीं खाओगे ना, तुम बोलते हो मैं गाय का दूध पीऊंगी, मैं पाउडर का दूध नहीं पीऊंगी, तुम बोलते हो कि मैं घर का खाना खाऊं, रेडी टू ईट पैकेट्स नहीं,
हाँ, तो
राइट?
क्यों? Exactly.
तो आप अपने बच्चे को कैसे, सेरेलैक
Exactly.
इज द फर्स्ट फूड,
That's the
unless of
first.
course I don't know if there is any scientific need for it, which I don't see should be, but if there is, but if my child
No,
is
no,
really
no, no.
healthy
It's
and
a
fine with me, there
convenience.
is no reason for us to introduce Cerelacs to
Correct,
them.
correct. You
So
know, it's yeah, you know, if you are again, hopefully not ever, but if you're in a war struck situation or something has happened, or the mother is in army, or the mother is, you know, the family, I don't know, a beautiful situation stuck or in an ugly situation stuck, and you want your child fed and there is no real food.
yeah,
Yes, this thing
yeah,
exists.
that's how
That's
distant
how,
it.
that's where I will put it. कि
Yes, yeah.
कुछ भी नहीं है तो बारिश का पानी आओगे ना, तो देन ओके। बट द फैक्ट, लाइक सीरियसली, आयुषी, ये जो आई हेट टू से इट, बट दे, इनकी जो मार्केटिंग है, द फैक्ट दैट यू नो द चाइल्ड इज रीचिंग आउट टू यू एंड कि मुझे अपना टाइम दे दो, एंड यू आर लाइक या आई एम नॉट गोना डू किचन वर्क, एंड यू नो आई एम गोना गो एंड आई एम गोना मेक अ पाउडर थिंग एंड आई एम गोना बी विद यू। या, आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट women should be standing in the kitchen 24/7. Yeah, but you take help, you take professionals, you keep a cook, you keep a chef, whatever you can, you do it
Even if you
yourself,
can't
whatever
do
you
all of that, just give them actual real food.
actually real food. Yeah, it's actually even not that difficult.
Yes,
Exactly. You're not even looking at a dum biryani which you have to give to the child. You know,
exactly.
like, you're looking at real foods. Like, I fully, you know, fully agree, and I feel like to add to that, usko ye convince on the basis of you, your food, your home, your things which comes naturally to you is not good enough. That is where it is stemming from. And this I feel like, of course, there are lots of beautiful things we've discussed and we've talked, but I feel like one of the things which is so important in this, you know, unconditioning and unparenting is literally like tuning in yourself consciously and saying that I am enough, good enough, enough. I will do it. I can do it. If I cannot do it, I will decide it. You know, like that thing. And yes, in the journey, you can have experts and professionals and all of that with you. So no, Ayushi, it has been a pleasure. It's, as I said, we can
Go on
be, you know,
here.
suffering, go on, and we're gonna meet again. So it's not just this one. But thank you so much for taking out the time. It's an honor, it's a privilege to have, yeah, to be doing what we are doing. And I know that when this is live, so many mothers are going to resonate with it. And I really hope that सबसे पहली कोई ऐसी मदर जो सुने जिनको ये लग रहा हो कि दिक्कत तो है, मुझ में है, यू नो, मैं ही छोटी हूँ, मैं हूँ मैं ही छोटी हूँ, मैं ही पिटीट हूँ, मैं ही इनफ नहीं हूँ, वो जो सुने वो कह दे कि नहीं, यू नो, आई एम नॉट गोना लेट दिस सिंक इन।
Absolutely. That's the power of this platform and this initiative that you have started, that Veera has started. I think I have seen a few podcasts or discussions or conversations where mostly celebrities are talking,
Hmm.
which is good because we look up to those people. But I think when real people come and talk about their experiences or their journey, their stories, I think it's so much easier to relate to. That okay,
Hmm.
if she has gone through it and if she could come on the other side, or
Yeah.
maybe this is what is normal, this is what happens, and this is what is happening to me.
Yeah.
When I hear common people talk about it, I think it just tells that mom that you are doing fine. And I think this is an incredible initiative that you have taken, you and the Veera team
Okay.
has taken. So I'm just so glad that I could take out the time and sit with you and chat about it. Of course, as we said, that we can just go on and on about it. I do that with all my friends, but having this platform to reach out to more women, thank you guys. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
thank you, Ayushi, thank you. Yeah, yeah, this will go on. We have we're not gonna stop. We're gonna come up with new episodes. We're gonna come up with you again. We're not gonna stop because seriously, this is a very beautiful and difficult phase, and to help you through the difficulty, we are there, and to be able to understand that you are enough, it's important that they everyone hears it from mothers themselves. जैसे आपने बोला सेलिब्रिटीज कहीं ना कहीं अनरियल प्लेटफॉर्म है, वहां हम अभी तक नहीं है, मे बी इन फ्यूचर, बट वायरल हो जाए तो probably there. But leaving that, again, thank you so much. And please, for everyone, we'll be coming back again with our next podcast. Best wishes to you and the family. And yeah, we speak soon.
Yep. Bye.
Bye bye. Bye.